Chemist, we touched down on the flow in New York City. In New York, the land of the Statue of Liberty. Alex, thanks so much.
Jump in time.
Hey y'all.
Time for Joe's Pizza and fucking gas.
This is our first meal of the day, by the way.
I feel like our box is pretty small.
Oh my god.
I just dumped it in the pizza. Okay, guys.
Love you.
I can't feel my hands.
We'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, we're back. I don't even think I closed it on the last one, but right now
Yeah, next line we're waiting in.
we're really tourists right now. We're waiting in like the
Probably some
possible.
mid-coffee. Literally figured out the train system just so we can get to this place.
We got on a train. It was not that difficult.
I thought it was too difficult.
Oh, we'll see you when we get our coffee, maybe, because we don't vlog. Bye.
No, it's okay.
Wow. Oh, it's so good.
We have recommend to taste it.
This is so good.
Lexi?
Really? Next line.
First. Hi, we're in bagels. No, we're in line for bagels. I'm getting poop.
A schmear poop on it.
schmear poop on it.
We're at Leon's Bagels. I like how much lipstick's on this thing. And I'm gonna get a bacon, like egg and cheese, a bacon and cheese.
Hey y'all.
Or bagel.
This shit's gas.
Go to Leon's Bagel.
Can you please look at my legs real quick? Yeah. It's actually how serious it is. That's how serious I am about this. Hi guys.
We're at the Statue of Literally.
We're at the Statue of Literally. My hair has been in my mouth for about 45 minutes.
Literally, I
Right back to
It's 3 in the morning. So guys, we extended the trip.
We do not extend our trip. Our trip got extended.
The trip extended itself. Thanks to Zeron Mamdani.
We're basically getting snowed in tomorrow. How many inches of snow? 20 inches of snow. You downloaded Zillow and we're looking for apartments.
Motherfucker. Give me one drink. We're blizzarding in, and we have to stay another day because our flight got canceled. We have another day right ahead of us, and you're not gonna see any of it again because I doubt I think we have like 4 videos.
This vlog's gonna be 3 minutes long. So tomorrow, we're staying here. We're going to Central Park. Motherfucker. We're in an outfit. Wait. Have we been like yonking it this whole time? What the fuck
Is yonking?
Yonking it this whole time. No. You do. Oh.
It's snowing.
We're at Liberty Bagels. Cheese with scallion cream cheese. Egg everything with dill pickle.
Yeah. They have chocolate Dubai chocolate cream cheese. Hello Dubai. I'm so grateful. Boom. It's right, that's for you. Ready to venture out there? Look at me. It's already cracked. Wait, give me it back, give me it back. Do it. That's cute, that's cute. Hey guys, this is the actual plan. We are heading down into a blizzard and we're going to take a train, hopefully, to Baltimore. we will be taking a train to Baltimore. From Baltimore, we're gonna take a flight to Seattle. Then we're gonna stay overnight in Seattle, and then we're going to California. See you on the other side. Look, Donnie, do something. Oh my god. Was that a freaking trek through the snow?
Felt like Mount Everest.
Yeah, it was
so
it was bad. We have an hour till our train comes here. Right now it says on time, so that's all I want. We'll see you on our train, hopefully. Our train was at 1:49. It was canceled, uncanceled, canceled, uncanceled, uncanceled, canceled, canceled. Right now it says it's just delayed, and it's on time. We're now having to go to just the DC, and then we're gonna sleep in DC. Wake up, 8 a.m. flight, home.
When I first heard that our train was canceled the first time, I called my mom and I started crying immediately because I'm so frustrated of not getting home. Get me out of here right now.
I just want to go home.
It's not like I'm trying to, I don't know, impress anybody at the fucking train station.
No.
Get me on my train, please.
Are still in New York City. Hi guys.
I look like Justin Bieber. Y'all don't know that I'm clocking on your business. We got on the train at 5.
We got on this 4 hours late. Now going to Washington D.C., which is where we will be eating. Hopefully, going to. Play with it one more time. This is not going well, but we're on the freaking train. It's not funny. So what? I'm gonna redo my.
Hey guys,
Different train.
we're on a different train. We're going the same place, different train. It's max capacity. Listen.
2 minutes from we're docking at Philly soon, for next station, and the entire power goes off on every single car, and we're like, what the fuck? Then they're like, okay, we're gonna try to fix the engine. We sit there for an hour. Suddenly they go, welcome. There's a train across the station. Get up right now, or you're not getting on a seat. They say whoever can fit on that train is getting on the train. Everyone in every single car. It is war. It is.
Y'all heard me. I was like, he's like, oh, nobody's sitting here. Good.
Period. They're actually so chill here. Everyone's cool, but also they're screaming at us. There's not
Came
enough
off of
space.
161, the broke down train. Please raise your hand. There's 2 of them.
Everyone
I did.
sprints to the car in front of them, but there's a lot of people trying to get on our car, and it's full. Not everyone's sitting on here. I lose Lauren and Tristan. To the bottom one, let's go to the last one. Literally, what I tell you, I don't think I've ever gone faster. Mind you, this all happened in 1 minute. We jump on the last car, and they go, we cannot fit everyone. 10 seconds, also standing for 2 hours on the way to Washington. I cannot promise you a seat. We're going in 10 seconds. Decide now or get your ass off the train. Also, mind you, they didn't tell us, but in 10 minutes, there's another train coming through. They can totally get on it. It's totally fine. No one said that. We're going to Washington D.C. Hopefully. I can't even say that. I can't even say that with full confidence.
Don't say it.
Pretty good positive attitude.
Are we vlogging?
Yeah, we're vlogging.
Hi guys.
We got off 2 of our Ubers canceled.
2 of our Ubers canceled.
We had to change our reservation 40 freaking times. The food was so good, and then we just got to the hotel, and it went so smoothly.
Obnoxiously. I couldn't do anything about it.
What did you say?
Oh,
Yeah, I didn't hear it
I
though.
thought she farted. And so I was cracking the fuck up. It sounded like a fart.
Which is why I immediately had to go, my tummy just grumbled.
It's the same reason why I started laughing at the table. I immediately had to tell on you. No. Stop. Do you know what I'm talking about?
It's midnight now, and we are going to go to sleep, and then we have to wake up. Our shuttle is at 7 a.m. So take a shower, get ready for bed.
Wait, I just realized how early that is.
I know, we should just stay up again.
No.
I think let's go to the airport and just get coffee and chill and get breakfast.
Just goon.
That works.
We can try to fit that in.
Guys, I just wanted to say thanks for coming along.
I don't think we've ever caught a break. We haven't caught a single break this entire trip. Lauren couldn't get it on her flight. Listen, I love you, but I would have left you.
And that's fine.
Lauren's first time trying
Dunkin'. Don't. I'm scared that it's not sweet enough, and I'm gonna.
Oh baby, it's gonna be sweet. It's either gonna be the sweetest thing you've ever had, or like the most bitter garbage straw.
See, like that's what I'm scared of. Ooh, she's sweet.
Dross,
like draw. They're working hard back there. Props to them.
Hopefully.
Wait, don't say anything.
You're too optimistic.
Can you turn around?
Wait, where's my jacket?
It's on top of your. Probably see you on the plane.
Be excited.
No, we can't. Once we land and say Diego.
Flight attendants, armed doors, return crowd check, please.
I mean, honestly, not even then, because we still have to get our luggage and get home. Once we're home, we can be excited that we're home.
Yeah.
Welcome to San Diego. The local time is 11:22. Please keep your seatbelts on. Our pilots will turn off the
11:22, but we've been up for 8 hours now.
Guys, we freaking did it. I love this place. It smells it's so hot. Cigarettes and
literally-
sand and water and
I can actually cry real tears. I'm just soaking in the sun. I kind of want to go to like the beach.
me too.
Like just in
on
celebration.
principle.
Yeah, just because we can. Anyway, thank you guys for coming with us on this crazy,
trip ever.
crazy, worst
Not
getting
even
home
clickbait
trip
worst trip
ever. Yeah,
It was fun until we got stuck in a blizzard.
Because it was fun the whole time.
No, like we made
we
it
made it
fun. Yeah, we made it fun, but like the actual like
we did it, guys. We did it, Joe.
we're actually like survivors. No, actually my butt.
We were cracking up the whole time.
No, we were cracking up the whole time. Thanks for coming with us. We love you so much, and we'll see you in the next vlog. I think it's gonna be Disneyland, whenever the fuck that is. But love you. Bye.
Get your money, man. Life goes on.
I'm hopeful, yes I am hopeful for today. Take this music and use it. Let it take you away and be hopeful, hopeful, and he'll make a way. I know it ain't easy, but that's okay, 'cause we hope.